Mhm.
Nika, so how are you? How is life going?
I think it's doing fine, especially now that we're on lockdown. We're still currently on lockdown here in the Philippines. Some areas are still in tight lockdown. So how is it? How are you doing, Mr. Hussein?
Yes, I'm good. Same situation
Okay,
is here as well. Uh,
yeah,
we
still
are
on lockdown.
fighting against it. It's a global
Yeah.
actually. Anyway, so Nika, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, so my name is Nika Paula Castillo, Mr. Hussein. I'm currently working as a junior SAP project manager for one of the companies, one of the SAP partners here in the Philippines. So before that, before I was promoted to a junior project manager, I worked as an SAP Business One Consultant. So I was fortunate enough to got hired. I was hired right out of college. So I graduated a degree. I got a degree in one of the universities here in the Philippines in accounting technology, and so I got the job just a few months out of college, and I was not hesitant to take the job because here in the Philippines I grew up in a more rural part of the Philippines. So I think I wanted something. I wanted to get out of my comfort zone. So there, I worked as an SAP Business One consultant for I think about 2 years, and then after 2 years, I got lucky, and my boss asked me if I would want to handle a team. So she gave me a chance to actually handle a team. So I work as an SAP a junior project manager, up until now. So I'm currently working for one of the SAP partners here.
That's a nice introduction. Nika. So, am I pronouncing your name correctly? Is it Nika or what else?
Yes, it's Nika Paula.
Nika.
It's pronounced as Nika Paula. Yes, Nika Paula Castillo.
Okay, Nika. So, why did you choose Business One Consultant? Sorry, Business One module.
I think it's one of the best best offerings we can give to small and medium enterprise businesses. So I think the market for SAP Business One is very huge. So I thought of I think it worked really. I think my course was accounting technology. So it was more on accounting at the same time working with technology. So I think it's best to try SAP Business One because of the market and also the opportunities I got. I was exposed to a lot of industries because of SAP Business One, and it's not that of a big system compared to the R3, compared to HANA. But I think it works really well with my skills and also my with what I finished in college. Mm.
Okay. Can SAP Business One can be customized?
Yes, it can actually be customized. I think it's a ready-made system. So SAP had developed a ready-made system that can cater to all businesses. But SAP Business One as a system can be customized based on the customer's need. So with my experience, I've had clients who are into manufacturing. Yes, we were able to address their needs. We were able to address their requirements as a business. But there are certain requirements that they would want specifically only for their company. So with my experience with SAP Business One, it's very versatile, and you can actually do a lot of things with SAP Business One. So that's one of the things I also like about SAP Business One because of its versatility. Mm-mm.
That's great. So, my next question is what is the value returned
Yeah.
when any method of
Yes.
API object executes successfully? Is my question clear to you?
Sorry. Pardon.
Shall I repeat the question again?
Sorry, Mr. Hussein. I didn't get that.
Okay, so
Yes, because I think my internet is a bit shit. Mm-mm.
I am repeating the question. What is the value returned when
Okay.
the method of a DI API object executes successfully?
Sorry, I can you repeat for the last time the question? What region? Did I hear it right?
What is the value returned when any method of a DI API object executes successfully? Are you familiar with the term DI API?
DIA, I'm currently an SAP Business One Consultant. I think the term DI API is more on the technical side. So, from what I've experienced with DI API is, I think it's the ability of third party apps to be able to be connected with SAP Business One. So I think that's what the DI API is.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the
Mhm.
difference between transfer rules and update rules?
Sorry.
Can you tell me the difference between transfer rules
Mm-mm.
and update rules?
What do you mean by transfer rules and update rules? In what sense, Mr. Yasin?
That is, it is mapping the fields in the data source to the info object in its
Okay.
source of target fields. That is transfer rules. And update rules to
Ah,
update.
okay.
Yes. Okay. So please.
Okay. So, is this related with uploading data, such as data using the data transfer workbench? From what I've understood, using the data transfer workbench, there are different. They are already made Excel sheets that the client can can easily fill up based on the requirement. So whenever we migrate data from the legacy system to SAP Business One, we just have to input all this data in Excel sheet. As long as we tell the client that each specific field, what is the requirement for each specific field. So um, yeah, we just after the client gives us all the data from that Excel sheet, we upload that to the data transfer workbench. So I think that is the transfer rule, and update rule is all tables in SAP Business One can be can be updated still using the data transfer workbench, still using the Excel sheets provided by SAP. So we just have to um, use the same ID with what we initially uploaded. And then any update we want, for example, in the business partner master data, we would want to update the address, we want to update the name of the customer. So we just have to use the same template and just get the unique code we initially uploaded during the transfer rules, and then still update using the data transfer workbench. Mm-mm.
Okay. I think it's gonna be my final questions. Which tool is
Okay.
provided
Mhm.
by SAP for keeping the track of events? Can you tell me?
Sorry, Mr. Hussein. I think I didn't get the question right.
My question is, which
Hello.
tool is provided
Mhm.
by SAP for keeping the track of events?
Keeping the track of events, is it
Yes.
okay? Keeping the track of events, SAP has developed what we call the change log. I think that's one of the things that's really good about SAP Business One. Um, each um, each changes, each update, each adding, each all activities done inside SAP Business One can actually be viewed using the change log. So the change log can easily be accessed on the user interface by any user or a user with professional license, especially the admins, and just track all the activities using the change log. Mm-mm.
That's great. Nika, so
Okay.
you are already leading a team, right?
Mm-mm.
So how many team members are there?
Yes. Mhm. Currently, I'm handling three.
J-
Sometimes we are currently, I think we are two project managers, and we manage three. Sorry, we are three under the team, and each project manager has at least three consultants in each. So it's not just limited to just three consultants. Sometimes we would coordinate with fellow um, project managers na I might want to use your resource because I need resource for this specific project. So that's it.
So as a leader,
Mm-mm.
emotional intelligence is
Mm-mm.
very important, right? Emotional
Yes, very, very important.
important.
Mm-mm.
So how do you manage your emotional intelligence in the workplace?
I think it's one of the things that's very important. Emotional intelligence. It's not just the IQ. Um, given our work, we face a lot of clients. We face a lot of personalities. So we have irate clients. We have very friendly clients. So with that, I was able to develop emotional intelligence with the team and I think it's very important to be able to enhance that skill. Mm.
Thank you, Nika. Thank you so much for joining this
Mm.
discussion. So
Hello.
in the end of our
Mm.
discussion, this is a very
Mm.
initial phase of this recruitment process. So
Okay.
it is being recorded and it will be shared with the concerned company. They will review
Okay.
the video along with along your profile.
Okay.
So if you are shortlisted, they will contact you directly uh,
Okay.
further steps of this recruitment process. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Again for joining this.
Okay.
Take care.
Okay.
It was really
Much, Mr. Hussein. Yes. Thank you very much for reaching out in through LinkedIn.
thank you.
Mm.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.